Welcome to another RMS Support Center tutorial. Our topic today, how to fix errors when electronically signing documents in RMS. Training objectives. Cover issues with signing documents, how to change permissions in order to sign documents. The following steps for changing permissions should only be done when assisted by your IT department. Today, we are going to cover signing issues in RMS. If you have an issue or error when signing submittals or reports in RMS, it could be due to your Microsoft Machine Key permissions. As a contractor, it is important to sign submittals using the digital signature because it will allow the government to digitally sign the 4025 on their side. If a contractor signs the document manually and then uploads the document to the government will have to sign it manually. If a contractor signs a document with their digital signature in RMS, the government can also sign it with their digital signature in RMS. This video will cover a machine key signing error. I am opening up a document inside of a document package inside of a transmittal to sign it. When a contractor goes to sign the 4025, an error message might be displayed. It is due to a Windows update or incorrect permission setting. The issue type of error is cryptographic exception. In order to fix this error, you will need to go to your C drive. What permissions need to be checked in order to sign documents in RMS? First step is to go to your C drive. The program data file will be hidden, so you will need to use the address bar. Enter in C:\/ program data / Microsoft / crypto / RSA. Hit enter. Right click on machine keys, go to properties, and then you'll click on security, click on everyone. Next step is to click on advanced. Select everyone by double-clicking. Make sure your read and write checkboxes are checked. Then click on Show Advanced Permissions. Make sure your Transverse folder is checked, List folder, Read Attributes, Read Extended Attributes, Create Files, Create Folders, your Write Attributes, your Write Extended Attributes, your read permissions and your change permissions are checked. Then click OK. Click OK again. Click OK again. Open up a new instance of RMS. Log into RMS. Select your contract. Then from there, go to submittals, transmittal log, click on your transmittal. Check, select, and include digital signature. Click on create and digitally sign 4025. Enter your password. The 4025 has been signed. You can see here by looking at the document package. You can see it's been electronically signed. We covered issues with signing documents, how to change permissions in order to sign documents. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.